You recording her?
That's what's up. Yeah, you can.
I mean, you know, and if we keep getting voided into the bottom, I know there's no vote this week, but if we keep getting voted in, I really appreciate it. We're going to take down a lot of people that are on us. So I just want to put you in your head.
Zeka.
Ariana. Homer. And it'd be in both our best interests for us to
Zeka.
This one's affected me a lot.
So here's basically what's going to happen. Got a little envelope there, see the card there, you're going to either write a name or write a name down. On the wire, I said,